Let us see how you can sync the system fields. Click on system fields and click on sync system field. This will sync the product system fields. Next, click on orders and click on sync system fields. Now these fields are the default fields that are required for smooth functioning of a e-commerce store. So for example, we have a system field for order here as order status, and we have entered some default values for the order status. You can edit them, delete them, or add your own values as well. So this is why the system fields are required, and we have added a set of system fields by default. In this, only if you do not have a Facebook business registered in India or a WhatsApp API number with 91 country code. If you are not from India, then you can go to this three fields: origin country, importer name, and WhatsApp compliance category. Click on this edit icon and you can remove the mandatory part, because these three fields are mandatory for Indian businesses. So by default we have set it as mandatory, but if you're not from India, you can make these three fields, product fields, as non-mandatory. So these are basically product system fields. So you can remove mandatory thing in these three fields. So it is very important to sync the system fields for smooth functioning of e-commerce. Thank you.